Direct mount shutters, take one. Hey, how you doing, folks? Sometimes we have to work in cramped quarters. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're mounting a direct mount shutters, meaning the hinges are going to be mounted right on the inside of the jambs here. And what you see, this little block of wood here, and we've got a couple for the sides. These are, light stops to keep the sun from peeking in. Anyway, we decided to do it like this just because we have another window in the center that we have to do that way because it's a crank out window. So we're doing that to all. First thing we're doing is these little blocks of wood. I've already taken the liberty to put the top one on first. Now we're going to do the bottom, but I'm having the front edge of these 1 1/8 inches back in from the opening. So once I get that, I believe I've already got my dimensions pretty set. And go to the center here. Go ahead and tack those into place. And sometimes you can give it a little love. We just don't want those moving anywhere. Now we can do the same with the side pieces. I think that will hold into place, but we're just gonna just go ahead and line those up, shoot them in. Now the next thing we want to do is position our hinge. I already know that the hinge itself, there's a point on the hinge where I want it to be 3 inches down from the top. I'm just going to line everything up there. Go ahead and mark my holes. And what I'm going to do is get these started just a little bit. And because the hinge is so close to the top, I'm going to go ahead and put the hinge on the shutter first, and then lift everything up into position and then screw it in that way. And then I'll be able to make the final adjustments. It always helps if you have everything with you. I usually leave a little bit of adjustability to it. And that seems like it has to come down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and start the one of the bottom holes. Now I'm not gonna tighten that down all the way because we have to Drop it down just a little bit.